All right, ladies, so here it is. This is the finished look, and this is how it came out. I am loving it. It is full. It is bouncy, as you can see. It's mixed with the 1B, the 130, and the 127. And I am loving the length because it is so hot here in California right now. It is like 100 degrees, 98, 105, and this is absolutely perfect for this weather. I don't have to worry about doing anything to this hair. It is absolutely low maintenance free. All I have to do is get up in the morning, take my bonnet off, and get ready for work, which is, of course, doing hair. So look how full it is. And I don't have on a closure. This is just how I showed you guys how I went around the front of my head and kept going in a circle so that I can have this fullness in the front. And it's actually versatile. As you can see, I just kind of split it a little bit right here, and I can actually just take some and split it on the opposite side. And I could just split it here and just kind of play with it a little bit and wear it on the opposite side as well. Look at that, ladies. What? This is absolutely gorgeous, maintenance free. This is what I'm talking about. And like I said, it is a really nice length. Look at that. I just switched sides without a closure. So this is absolutely gorgeous. If you are looking for a low maintenance, long lasting hairstyle, this would be it, ladies. This is it right here. This is 10 and 12 inches. I mixed it. I put the 12 at the bottom, and then as I got up farther to the top, I used the 12 just to kind of give that fullness and a kind of layered look. Always remember, if you want to get that layered look, you start with the longest at the bottom and you move up to the shortest ones as you move up closer to the top of your head. So as you can see, it is filled in right real nice and full at the top. I don't have to worry about anything showing. It is absolutely gorgeous. I am loving this, ladies. So again, if you are looking for a short style, cute, low maintenance, versatile, where you can wear it on either side, this is the hair. It's on my website. Tap the link in the description below so that you can get your order in today and order this hair. Yes, I have it in all colors. I have it in 1B, which is black. I have it in number 2, which is brown. I have it in the mixed color like this, which is a 1B30, a 1B27, or a 1B33. The 1B33 is more of like a burgundy kind of color. The 130 is like a honey blonde. So yes, get your order in. And again, I am loving this. And leave me some comments in the comment section below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if this is some hair that you will try. Again, you can use this hair too. If you have any kind of hair loss in the front or any alopecia, you can use my closure. Yes, my 4x4 custom closure. You can get this style with, or my frontal if you have any hair loss from ear to ear. You can order my frontal, and you can still use this hair. You can use it for crochets as well as for sew-in weaves, which is what this is, a sew-in weave. All right, ladies, I hope you enjoyed the video. This is one of the styles that I will be wearing for a while because I am loving this. Actually, I think I like this side better than the other side. Okay, y'all. West Coast finest, tees, braids, and weaves. We out.